Under the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA, federal agencies that undertake a major federal action must develop an Environmental Impact Statement, or EIS, unless the agency finds that the action won't have a significant impact on the environment. An agency may be required to complete an EIS if the effects of an action are likely to be highly controversial, where there is a substantial dispute regarding the size, nature, or effect of the action. In Standing Rock Sioux Tribe versus United States Army Corps of Engineers, we'll see if an agency must also create an EIS if the agency fails to resolve serious outside criticism about its proposed action. In 1958, the Corps constructed a dam that created an artificial reservoir, known as Lake Oahe, on the Standing Rock Sioux Tribe's reservation and the Cheyenne River Sioux Tribe's trust lands. The tribes used the lake for various purposes, including drinking water, agriculture, and religious practices. In 2014, Dakota Access notified the Corps that it planned to construct an oil pipeline under Lake Oahe, known as the Dakota Access Pipeline, a half-mile north of the Standing Rock Reservation. Because Lake Oahe is a federally regulated water, Dakota Access had to obtain an easement from the Corps to construct the pipeline. The Corps conducted an environmental assessment, but the Corps ultimately found that it wasn't necessary to create an EIS. The Standing Rock Sioux Tribe sued the Corps for declaratory and injunctive relief under NEPA, arguing that the Corps' environmental assessment was inadequate. For example, the tribe offered evidence that the leak detection system on the pipeline had an 80% failure rate. The tribe also presented numerous examples of pipelines that had pinhole leaks. However, the Corps failed to address the potential environmental consequences of pinhole leaks in the environmental assessment. After an administration change during the lawsuit, the Corps granted Dakota Access an easement to construct the pipeline in 2017. However, the district court held that the Corps' decision not to issue an EIS violated NEPA because, among other issues, the pipeline was likely to be highly controversial. The court remanded the case to the Corps and ordered the Corps to complete an EIS. The Corps appealed the district court's order.